Laid still on the page. Get lippy with it.
Paint it, script it,
Scream it, perform it, digitize it, socialize it,
Text it. Carve it.
print it, put it on the wall,
Install it, break it,
Objectify it, game it,
squeeze it,
excavate it,
sculpt it.
stage it,
podcast it.
Broadcast it.
Language is narrative, conceptual, poetic, sound, text, performance, inside studio practice, concrete, plunder, remix, mashup, fiction, frictions, novel, short story, graphic novel, sci-fi, fantasy, zine, chapbook, film, video, new media, cross-media, transmedia, cross-platform, stylistics, hip-hop, dub, spoken word, flash fiction, experiments, experimental, collaborative, curative, hypertextual, urban, rural, indigenous, script, vignette, poem objects, and more.